This is Meow Meow, and she's available for adoption at the Rifle Animal Shelter. She just got her vaccine, and let me tell you, she was not happy, and she had lots to tell us about. She is a very sweet and loving cat, except when you do something that is not on her agenda, and she decides to tell you about it. She's not nasty; she just is bossy. And she is beautiful calico. She's got some tabby markings right here, if you can't see. And she is looking for a home to call her own. So come and adopt this beautiful Meow Meow, and she will meow you all the day long.